Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see how to create the material tag families and how do we apply that in the project. So when it comes to material tags, File, New Family, and we are talking about the annotation family that we're going to create. It's a text-based, so go to the annotation and look for the even you can take the generic tag and you can change that later as the material tag, and you can go ahead and select OK. A new template file will be opened and you can see that what the settings are saying. You have to make sure the categories are changed, and we are going to change this as material tags and select OK. And you can see that the insertion point at the center of the reference planes, delete this node before using it. So this is going to be the insertion point, and we can go ahead and create the label that, if you know AutoCAD, it's going to be attribute in AutoCAD. So we're going to add the description of the material that we needed and select OK, and select the text size that you needed and save the new family as material tag BIM modeler. So these tag families are already existing in the project, so this is just for your experience that how do we create that. Once it is done, you can see that while placing there is a leader you needed or not. There is a series of video tutorials we are creating about these settings options available within us. So there you can see that material tag BIM modeler is the tag family that we have selected. You can change the other material tag family as well. You can see that it's highlighting the grass, and you can go ahead and change the leader. I like to change that as dot filled and select OK, and this is going to be grass. So make sure that you are duplicating this particular views. It shows only the material details about the this particular plan will show only material details, so that it will be clean. So material about all about material detailing. Like this you will be able to create, and I can select these grass option, and I can go to the even select the wall, and I can go back to the section box out of this and see it in 3D. In 3D, you know that you can create lock options in the 3D, and you can create your tags from the annotation option, material tags, and make sure the visibility is enabled. And now you will be able to see that it's highlighting grass. The text size is bigger. You can change that and see that the material is highlighting. So this way you will be able to create your material tag families for your projects, and you can use them across your projects. You can have your own standards and do it. So I hope this tutorial helped you. So we are creating a series of tutorial about how to do the Revit projects, and with the small tips and tricks. Do follow us and hype the video to others to learn, and do follow me on LinkedIn. I have my LinkedIn request below. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.